ISO certification is revolutionizing businesses in Zimbabwe, particularly in manufacturing and agro-processing. The International Organization for Standardization, or ISO, offers frameworks that enhance quality, safety, and efficiency, boosting credibility and competitiveness. ISO 9001 certification focuses on quality management, ensuring high standards across products and services. For manufacturers, this means fewer defects and improved efficiency. The more consistent your product, the more likely your customers will return, said the host. In agro-processing, ISO 22000 and HACCP certifications are vital. They reduce contamination risks and ensure product safety. With HACCP, businesses can trace the food supply chain, guaranteeing quality from farm to table, the host explained, emphasizing brand protection and consumer trust. ISO certification opens doors for growth. Certified companies gain a competitive edge locally and internationally. In Zimbabwe, ISO certification gives businesses a unique selling point in the global market, said the host, highlighting the potential for expansion and attracting global clients. For Zimbabwean business owners, ISO certification is more than a badge. It's a tool for growth and reputation. At Popularcert, we guide businesses through the certification process. Visit our website for expert support on your ISO journey. Like, comment, and subscribe for more insights.